more fun and games on Wick's GTO. Here we go. Right, been working on our rough adjustment of our glass, both rear quarter and door. We got our two rear quarters pretty close in relation to the top. There's gonna need to be some fine tuning, obviously, and we gotta do some fine tuning with the top too later. But these two are pretty damn nice and parallel. And the piece of chrome with the weather strip's pretty wide. We might have to bring this glass just a hair back along with this, but in relation right now, we're looking pretty good. Had to adjust everything. Got it all close. We are styling.